All right, you guys. So it's been a whole week driving the Subi, and it's been good. It's been real good. So yeah, it's been good. It's been fun. It's been awesome. The power's just there. It's cool. It's a cool car to have, definitely, for sure. One of the cars that you should try and get, at least to try it out, you know, for fun, you know, for whatever reason, pleasure, leisure, whatever you want to do. But definitely a fun car, awesome car. And yeah, right now I'm gonna be doing a couple pulls and stuff like that. Fix this quick. Just show you guys the true power of the WRX. All right, so I'm not gonna do it here. We're just gonna do like pulls. I don't think I'm gonna do digs. I'm gonna do regular. Maybe we'll race this Jaguar right now. I pulled up. He looked at me kind of funny. You know, his face was like, hey, I want to race you. I want to race you right now, as soon as we got on the freeway. So I said, all right, let's do this. So let's do this. Look at that. That's just pure power. That was first gear. Look at that. Oh man, relax, relax. You hear the spooling? I need to get over. How to drive. Jeez. Oh, I'm still getting used to the 5 gears only. I'm almost trying to go to 6 right now. That'd have been bad. That'd have been real bad. I wonder if it's possible to put that 2015 transmission onto this, because it is the same motor, EJ25 essentially. But I don't know how it looks under here, the transmission area, so the housing could be different. A lot of the setup could be just completely different in general. I've never really looked into it, but yeah, I don't know. I do got lots of plans, not a lot of plans, but like semi plans for this. I definitely want to do wheels, suspension, little parts with the stuff with the ECU, like the flash tuner or whatever it is called, the cob, the fucking shit, I forgot what it's called. You know, the turbo, blow valve, shit like that, small little things, upgrade components here and there. Definitely get a few more ponies out of this bad boy or girl or unknown. Definitely, for sure. Oh man, that turbo sound just sounds so nice, man. It's so nice. It just sounds really good. Like, whew, it makes your pantalones wet. That shit sounds good. I need to get an exhaust for this thing too, so it could even sound better. Blow valve just sounds so nice, the turbo and then the blow valve, and it's perfect combination. We'll do a little first gear pull right here. We won't do like a quick, it won't be a fast takeoff, it'll just be a slow takeoff. That's it. I wonder how I look wearing this GoPro. Hello. Fun right there.